Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lifeform token. Ticker symbol is LFT. Now this token is getting a brand new launchpad listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Lifeform token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token's webpage, Lifeform.cc is their webpage there. They have a full document section there. It'll take you over to a Notion page where you can learn more on there. And they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. And that is at LifeformCC. So it says, we are thrilled to unveil the impending launch of the LFT token on the Bybit launchpad. So snapshot will be May 10th to May 14th. They have subscription till on May 15th. And they have an announcement page where you can learn more about that. And then they also are having a launchpad listing here on KuCoin. It says, we're proud to share with all Lifeformers that the Lifeform token LFT will be launched on both Bybit Launchpad and KuCoin Spotlight, inviting our community to join us in making this significant milestone with Lifeform and stay informed of the timeline. It says, for more, please visit Bybit announcements or KuCoin announcements. So you can find that at bybit.com or KuCoin.com. So those are two different central exchanges offering launchpad events for this project, and so you can find all the information on that on their Twitter. And then shortly after that, it's over, the launchpad event will be over, the IDO, and then they'll be listed on these exchanges. So most likely they'll be listed on Bybit and KuCoin for trading after the launchpad event. So just follow their socials that are announced that there. You'll be able to get the token by downloading Bybit or KuCoin from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. And then when it gets listed, funding your wallet or funding your account, with USDT, and then going into the trade section and searching LFT, the ticker symbol. So just follow the socials here. The Launchpad event hasn't even started yet. So once that gets underway, you're going to see more and more updates about, I'm sure there's going to be tons more central exchanges and some DEXs and things like that where this token will be listed. On their page here, it says, their partners are Ethereum, Solana, it looks like it's going to be cross-chain, OKX, Polyhedra. It says 3.25 million people have joined. So they're talking about their webpage here. The project, they're doing airdrop season 1. They're also partners with Binance, it says here as well, and OKX, so their webpage here has links to their products, their journey, Lifeform Premium, Universal Domains Ecosystem, events, and documents. So $3.5 million monthly transaction volumes on their market, 700,000 plus 24-hour transfers, 10 million plus 24-hour website visits. So that's a lot of website visits, and 30 plus business partners. So that's their ecosystem data. They have tons of partners here: DApp Radar, Token Pocket, CyberConnect, Hooked, Space ID, BNB Chain, all the other ones I named, Trust Wallet, etc. Huge list on their page there. Very cool web page too. As you scroll through there, they show you all these cool updates. They got tons of socials that you could check out as well. Tons of investors on here like Binance Labs, IDG Capital, Geek Cartel, KuCoin Labs, all sorts of stuff there. So it says here, every milestone of Lifeform since its establishment is the crystallization of our unremitted pursuit of hard work. In the long course of development, we have achieved impressive results in various fields such as products, technology, financing, activities, and business collaboration, and have overcome obstacles one after another. In this era full of opportunities and challenges, our growth and development have always been accompanied by the prosperity of the industry. We thank every Lifeformer from all over the world for your support and for building our community, for inspiring Lifeform to move forward. Welcome everyone to look back on this long and fulfilling journey and witness the highlights of our journey together. In our future journey, we believe that with your support, Lifeform will shine brightly. So our products, it says, we insist on providing the market with the highest quality products and services, building a digital citizen ecosystem, and creating a multi-metaverse. Lifeformers can perform a large number of rich interactions such as avatar creating, facial capture, artificial intelligence chatting, AI virtual human generation, and metaverse space interactions. Those are all the things that you could do on the Lifeformer ecosystem here. And among them, the unique avatar ID system can help you complete the visual DID of Web3. So within the ecosystem, we forge strong partnerships, harness innovation, unlock opportunities, drive change, and accelerate your impact, empowering growth. Partner with us for success, building together, empowering a thriving ecosystem. Welcome energetic Web3 products to join our ecosystem. Lifeform will assist in driving the development of your project, providing a user base of 3 million and offering technical and marketing support. So they have KOL partners on there, tons of those. They also have at the very bottom of their webpage, you're going to find all their socials. They have Medium articles, a Discord, a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. Like I said, Lifeform CC, huge following there. Instagram, they have a YouTube channel and a contact email, all at the bottom of their webpage, lifeform.cc. Check it out. Check out their full document section. Stay tuned on the socials for more listing announcements following these IDOs on Bybit and KuCoin Launchpad. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.